Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best free currency converter app on Shopify. So it's called Bucks Currency Converter Pro Plus Plus. I have no affiliation with this app, but this is the best app for the currency converter. It can convert more than 160 currencies, and I will show you how to install and set it up. So first, you can go to your Shopify dashboard and go to your setting in the bottom left corner here. And then you can go to your apps and sales channel here, and then go to Shopify App Store, and then you can search Bucks Currency Converter, this one, and then click this one. As you can see, the ratings is good, and then you can just read the reviews here, and yeah, let's install it by click this one. After that, you can just click install here. And then the first thing you have to do is click this one, enable on theme editor, and then activate the app. Then click save, go back to the page, and then you can go to settings. And there are three tabs: general, design, and display. I will show you one by one. And then also this is the preview for desktop mode and mobile mode. And for the generals, you can add more currency here. It's up to you, maybe like this. It's up to you. And then you can choose to turn off or turn on auto currency switch by location. I will just make it turn on. And then if you want to show the currency symbol, you can choose this one or you can choose this one. It's up to you. And then for design, there are two options for style: traditional fake or modern. I will choose modern. And then for the theme, I will choose round. You can choose circle or flat. It's up to you. And for the selector customization, I will choose default theme. And then for display modes, you can choose show flag only or show currency only. I'm using show flag and currency only now. And you can also turn on the dark mode. And there are some theme customization. You can choose the color, background color, border, text, and others. And then for display, you can choose position style for desktop position. You can choose floating, header, or custom position. I will choose floating here for desktop. And then in the top left, and for the mobile, I will choose floating also, and then top left. So this is the preview, like this. It will be like this. And also there are other option. You can, change it if you want. And then don't forget to click save. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.